Mirissa. Walking down to the beach. We're going to check it out. Lottery van making loads of noise. But yeah, lovely day. Here we go. Right, we're on Mirissa Beach. Just heading to Parrot Island. Apparently, there should be parrots. But if not, I don't mind because it looks absolutely beautiful. I'm so happy I came down to the south of Sri Lanka. I was so tempted not to after spending 2 weeks here, but it's so nice. It's probably the most beautiful place I've actually been, to be honest. Just beats Tenerife. And look at this. Look at that. That is something else. The weather's stunning. It's not even that crowded, to be fair. People are nice. It's a joke. Let's see. And I got some fresh mango. So, see. Yeah. Just waiting for this guy I met in the hostel. What's his name? From Austria. Got his name now. Yeah, he's come with me, so we're gonna go and climb them steps, take some photos and chill, I think. What a beautiful day in Sri Lanka. You're in my video, mate. Oh, okay, yeah.
So I think if you offer this in my country, you will hardly find something. Where are the parrots?
Ooh. Be careful, Brad, be careful. Don't want to be hurting yourself today. We'll go up here. Yeah. Yes. I'm sure I saw a turtle in there.
Literally no parrots. Because was once in the Maguri forest, I think 2 days before. It was a bird island.
Yeah.
There were really hundreds of birds.
Oh, really? Oh shit, that's a big ass crab here. It's massive.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Ah, fucking hell. Look at this. Look at this crab down here. It's a big one.
Yeah. I think the taste was really good.
Apparently so. I've not tried it yet, I need to try it here. And that's it. Just enjoyed some mango on the rocks. Talking about life, work. Shouldn't be talking about work because I'm travelling, but one of the common subjects, isn't it? Everyone talks about what do you do? What do I do? I don't do anything now. Full time travelling, isn't it? Not really. Got there. Beautiful island. Sri Lanka's growing on me, can't lie. It's growing on me. I do like it. I don't know what he's trying to do, but he's trying to, I think he chucked the banana and now he's trying to go and grab it. That's it. Whoa. Whoa. He made it then. Coming to Mirissa, check out the Parrot Island. It's a joke. It's absolutely stunning. Beautiful place. Sri Lanka, you're growing on me, mate.